OWASP. In this topic, we will explore the OWASP Top 10 Mobile Vulnerabilities 2016 and how they can affect mobile applications, normal functionality and security. Now, let us get started. Improper platform usage. This is a very significant vulnerability that can severely impact mobile devices. This vulnerability refers to the misuse or insecure use of platform features, APIs, or functions that can lead to security issues. Examples include using outdated or unpatched platform, software versions, or implementing security features incorrectly. Insecure data storage. Now, insecure data storage occurs when sensitive data is stored on the device without proper encryption or security measures. This can include storing passwords, financial information, or personal data in plain text files or unsecured databases. An attacker can easily access sensitive data from application in a rooted device. Insecure communication. Insecure communication involves transmitting sensitive data over unencrypted channels or protocols like HTTP or FTP. This vulnerability can lead to data interception, tampering, or eavesdropping. One very common example are the public Wi-Fi access points. When using public Wi-Fi access points, it is always possible that an attacker can intimidate an access point to steal unencrypted data from victims. Insecure authentication. Insecure authentication occurs when an app or device does not properly authenticate users or relies on weak authentication methods. This can include using default or weak passwords or not implementing two-factor authentication. This can lead to many security risks such as authentication bypass, information disclosure via debug message, and session invalidation. Insufficient cryptography. Insufficient cryptography refers to using weak cryptographic algorithms or improperly implemented encryption methods. This can include using outdated or unsecured encryption standards or failing to properly protect encryption keys. Insecure authorization. Insecure authorization occurs when an app or a device grants access to sensitive data or services without proper authorization checks. This can include granting too many privileges to a user or not properly validating user credentials. Authorization is a crucial aspect of the CIA triad. Many mobile applications have improper authorizations implemented, due to which lower privileged users can access the resources of any high privileged users. Code tampering. Code tampering refers to modifying an app's code or behavior by an unauthorized party. This vulnerability can allow an attacker to modify an application's functionality or steal sensitive data. The issue is usually found in mobile apps downloaded from third-party app stores. These app stores are not associated with the official mobile application developers and usually distribute malicious apps. Client code quality. Client code quality refers to the security of an app's code, including using secure coding practices and preventing common vulnerabilities such as buffer overflow or injection attacks. Poor client code quality can lead to security vulnerabilities or code exploits, allowing attackers to steal sensitive data, modify an application's behavior, or gain unauthorized access to a device or system. Reverse engineering. It refers to analyzing and understanding how an application works to decompile its code or extracting its binary files. This can allow attackers to discover sensitive information such as API keys, usernames, passwords, or encryption keys, which can perform malicious actions or compromise the application's security. Reverse engineering can also enable attackers to modify an application's behavior, inject malicious code, or bypass security controls such as root detection or obfuscation. This can lead to the theft of sensitive data, financial issues, or reputation damage to the app's developer. Extraneous functionality. It refers to features or functionalities of an app that are not essential to the intended purpose but can still be accessed by users or attackers. These functionalities may be present due to code reuse, legacy features, or unfinished development, and can provide attackers with avenues to exploit security weaknesses. Extraneous functionality can include hidden features, debug codes, or expand development endpoints, bypassing authentication or accessing sensitive data. Attackers can also exploit extraneous functionality to inject malicious code or perform unintended actions such as modifying applications' behavior or initiating unauthorized transactions.